Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Don from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And the next time you need a part for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the blower motor on this 2004 Volkswagen Jetta. And it's the same part and similar process on these Jettas from 1999 to 2008. And the items you'll need for this is a new blower motor from 1AAuto.com, a T20 Torx driver, and a 6mm socket and ratchet. Start off by removing these 3 T20 Torx bolts underneath your glove box. And we'll just fast forward as Don does that. Pull down your glove box and then remove these 3 T20 Torx bolts right here. Now just pull off the side panel and remove this T20 Torx bolt right over here. And this will allow you to be able to pull this panel back so you can get your glove box panel out of the way. So just pull your glove box panel back, and then pull that panel back, and then lift the glove box panel up and out. Now push the tabs on either side of this harness and disconnect it, and your glove box is free. And if one of these speed nuts falls off, just push it back into place. Now tuck your soundproofing out of the way, and your blower motor's right here, and to get to it we're going to need to remove the blower motor resistor. So just pull this insulation around that clip and then remove these 2 6mm bolts that hold in your resistor. And it helps to get the other one if you first disconnect this harness by just pushing both tabs, pulling it free, and then pulling the harness up and out of the way. And we'll just fast forward as Don removes those 2 6mm bolts. Pull the resistor down, and now you can just slide your blower motor down and out. On the left is the old blower motor, on the right is the new one from 1A Auto. You can see that they're very similar and they'll fit exactly the same. Feed your new blower motor up into place. And once you've got it up into place, just hold it there, and then take your resistor and put that into place. And once your resistor's lined up in place, then just replace those 2 6mm bolts. Reconnect your harness, and then tuck this insulation panel back up and around that clip, and then tuck it in on the sides. Push the harness clip back into place and then reconnect your blower motor harness, and then pull this insulation back down into place. Reconnect this harness, and then pull back that lower panel and tuck the tab on your glove box panel down into it. And then line up your glove box. Push in the side, and then push the panel back into place. And now replace this T20 bolt right here. And we'll fast forward as Don replaces the 3 T20 bolts along the bottom of the glove box panel. Pull down your glove box and then replace these 3 T20 bolts up along the top of your glove box panel. And we'll fast forward as Don does this. Now push in the back of this panel first, and then line up the clips and push in the front. And then close your glove box and you're all set.
We hope this video helps you out.
brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free, 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.